In this video today, we're going to be giving you 10 side hustle ideas that you can actually make some good money. And the best thing about these ideas is you don't need any money to invest to actually get started to do any of these things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And you can actually start making money very quickly with these ideas. So you don't want to miss this video. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I do want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money online, as well as entrepreneurship. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, like I said, we're going to be talking about 10 side hustle ideas that don't cost you any money that you can actually start today or tomorrow and actually start putting some money into your pocket very, very quickly. So there's 10 of them, so make sure you stay to the end of it because you never know which one of these that you're going to want to do to put some extra cash in your pocket. So it's going to jump right in. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right in here. So some of these that I'm going to be telling you are a little bit weird and maybe a little bit strange to some of you guys, but they're all legit and you can actually get paid for doing this type of side hustles. So the first one we're going to be talking about is getting paid to sell your poop. Yes, I said that correctly. You can actually sell your poop and get paid for. There's actually a lot of what they call bio dispensaries that they take your poop of people that are healthy people and they take those feces and they actually give it to people that have different diseases. You can see here that the actual poop actually helps people with Crohn's disease, colitis, autism, obesity. They use it for a lot of different disease states. And basically they take healthy poop and they insert it to people that are sick or unhealthy or have some sort of chronic disease, and they insert that poop into them and it helps them. I don't know all the science behind it. I'm not a doctor, but there's definitely money to be made. You can make about $40 per donation of your poop. So if this is something that you're interested in, all you need to do is just go to Google and type in stool donation near me or stool bank near me, and it should pull up the place that you can actually go and give your donation. I actually just did it for my area and I pulled up this place here. UF Health actually does this and it gives you all the information of how I would go about to give my actual donation and get paid for it myself. So definitely something that you can actually get paid for and help out somebody that is in need of your stool. Number 2 is you can actually sell your hair for money. You can sell your hair for money. You can see that I've been selling mine for the last couple of years. I've been selling it and letting it go away, making a ton of money just by selling my hair. So absolutely, guys, you can actually sell your hair for money. Some of the popular websites to actually do this is buyandsellhair.com, onlinehairfair.com, and hairsellon.com. One of the most popular websites to actually get this done is called buyandsellhair.com. And you can see here, it's the #1 human hair marketplace. Basically, it says regular and verified buyers, thousands of sales. It's actually been featured by Fox News, Bloomberg, CBS 5. So this is a real legit site and people are actually selling their hair for money. And if you actually go and look at some of the featured listings here, you can see that people are selling their hair for a lot of money right here. So you can look where, you know, this person is selling 25-inch luxurious thick dark Portuguese black hair, brunette virgin hair for $1,800. Here's some Brazilian curly hair for $500. A 13-inch brown silky virgin hair for $300. So essentially you can just go in here and if you have a lot of hair and you want to sell it, you can just go in here, type up a profile and sell your hair. And as I was looking through this, you can actually just sell your hair for whatever price that you want to sell it at. So there's no cap of how much you can actually sell your hair for. You can basically just sell it for whatever you think that you can actually get for it. So if that's something that you're interested in, go over to buyandsellyourhair.com and go ahead and create a profile and start posting something. Who knows, somebody may want to buy your hair and it just doesn't cost you anything but just cutting it up, just like I've been cutting mine off, right? Number 3 is plasma donation. Plasma donation. Now, this is something that I actually used to do when I was in college for extra money. And actually, you can make pretty decent money as a college student giving your plasma. So basically, if you're not familiar with giving plasma, it's basically when they hook you up to a machine and they basically take your blood out and then they filter the plasma, some of the good cells that are in your blood, and then they take those out and they extract those and they give those to healthy or people that are sick that are in need of plasma. So people that may have blood disorders or different chronic diseases, they use the healthy plasma to help people with different chronic diseases to get healthy, right? And you can actually do this over and over and over and over again. Now, this is something that I used to do in college. I don't do this anymore, but you can make anywhere between $300-$400 a month giving plasma, right? So you can see here, here at Google, I just kind of Googled it. It says, how much can you get paid to donate plasma? And it says here that you can expect to get paid anywhere between $20 to $50 per donation. And it basically depends on your weight size is how many times they'll allow you to actually donate. So what you want to do is just basically type in Google like plasma donation areas, plasma donation in your area or near me. And you'll definitely have a lot of websites that come up. And basically, this is one that just came up in me, and it says, earn up to $400 by giving your plasma. And basically, they have a couple of different stipulations in terms of what you need to do to give plasma. You need to be like a local resident. You need to be like healthy. You need to have a valid driver's license. So again, there's just a couple of requirements that are very easy, nothing stringent. Anybody can do this. So you can actually get paid to give plasma. And what they do is they typically front load you. So like the first time you go, they usually give you like the highest amount because they want to entice you to give plasma. So that's when you usually get like the $50 or $60 for that first donation. And sometimes they tier it down as you continue to come. But every month it seems like the prices can range and it can go up and down. But again, I used to do this and it just takes maybe about 30 or 40 minutes of your time. And then you get cash money right as you're walking out of the door. So you get the money right away. Number 4 is being a e-jury, an e-jury. So basically what an e-jury is you basically sign up to hear mock trials. So lawyers that are preparing for big cases, they actually will sign up with this website and they'll actually go through a mock trial to practice for like the real trial. So you can actually sign up for this website and be like an e-jury, and you can actually get paid to do this. So essentially here it says that, you have to be at least 18 years of older. You have to be a citizen of the United States, have good morals and values, be able to read and write. You can't be convicted of a felony, but you can actually get paid. It says here we go. It says for every verdict rendered, e-jurors get paid anywhere between $5 and $10 depending on the length of the case. So essentially you're just sitting here and you're listening to the lawyer and they render a verdict. This is all a mock trial and you can get paid $5 to $10 per case, and it'll actually give you the amount of how much they will pay you for the case prior to you accepting it, and then they pay you by PayPal. So that's eJury, eJury.com, so you can go check that out. So number 5, and this is kind of funny, you can actually sell your Apple boxes. So a lot of people have old iPhone boxes and iPad boxes and even Mac computer boxes, but you can actually get paid to sell your boxes. If you go over to eBay, you can see that people are selling bundles of boxes, Apple products for $180. Here's a bundle for $21. Down here you can see $19 for Apple boxes. So I guess people are buying these boxes. Maybe they're refurbishing old Apple phones and they want to sell them, and maybe they need the boxes. So if you have a bunch of Apple boxes, like iPhone boxes laying around your house, why not just put them on eBay and sell them for a couple bucks? I mean, they're just sitting around there. Why not make this money? We get this side hustle money. Now, number 6 is a little bit more time intensive and you have to put in a little bit more work, but it's basically being a laborer, like a day laborer. So they call it like labor ready here in Florida. And basically what you do is you go to a site that will give you temporary work. So this work that you're going to get through Labor Ready isn't going to be permanent work. It's all temporary, and typically these companies will actually pay you to do some sort of job and you get paid that same day. So that's the benefit of doing Labor Ready. You don't have to wait 2 weeks for a paycheck. You get the money right away. So I went to the Labor Ready website here in Florida. And I actually just kind of was just scrolling through here. And you can see this stuff is very updated in terms of the date. So these are just a few days ago. But, this position is paying for a sanitation worker $10 to $13 an hour. It says temporary here. Basically, it's the food service and packaging industry. And then they have like general laborers. You can basically just go down here, auction driver, carpenter, entry level, concrete manufacturer. And you just kind of scroll down here, look, auto auction driver, $9 to $10 an hour, temporary work. You could just do this whenever you have time. A lot of these actual jobs have multiple shifts. So even if you are working a job and you want to kind of do this on the side to make some extra side hustle cash, you can do this at night or on the weekends and just find stuff that you can do just for the day that you can just get paid for that same day. Number 7 is to be a personal shopper for somebody. So you may be familiar with Instacart. It's basically when someone orders groceries and you would actually go to the grocery store, pick out everything that they want, and actually deliver the groceries to the actual people that ordered it. So very easy gig. They actually get paid pretty decently. You can make up to $15 to $20 an hour doing this and actually delivering groceries to people. So super easy. You can go over to Instacart and check it out. Number 8 is you can get paid to walk somebody's dog. Now this is incredible. So if you're a dog lover or pet lover, people want you to walk their pets, especially if they're at work or maybe they're on vacation or maybe they just don't want to do it themselves. So you can actually go over to a website called rover.com, and actually just kind of create a profile and actually walk dogs that are in your area. I actually just kind of pulled up some of the profiles myself here, and I can see that this Barbara girl will walk $10 per walk. This is $15 per walk, $15 per walk, $20 per walk, $15 per walk. This is super easy to do. So like if you are a dog lover or a pet lover, and you can basically just create a profile on this actual website and you don't mind walking dogs, you love dogs, just pick your own area that you would actually do this in and then get paid to walk people's dogs. This is super easy. This takes no time. It's good exercise for you, and you like pets anyway, so why not get paid $20, $30 every time you want to walk someone's dog? So everybody doesn't own a swimming pool, and people want to have the option to go swimming without swimming in like one of those big public places where there's going to be a ton of people. Maybe they just want a more small, intimate setting for their family. So this is a website that people that have swimming pools can actually sign up for and rent out their swimming pool for the day or for a number of hours. So like say I wanted to look for a pool, let's say in Atlanta, Georgia, I could click that, and then it will actually come up with pools that are in that area that I could actually rent out. So you can see here, this person's charging $30 an hour, $60 an hour for this pool. Tiki Pool in East Point, $15 an hour. Heated Background Oasis, $60 an hour, $40 an hour, $45 an hour, $60 an hour, $45 an hour. So again, guys, if you have a swimming pool and you don't mind letting people come and rent it out, you can make pretty good money doing that. If you could charge on the high end, I'm seeing a lot of $60 an hour for your pool. It can absolutely, pay some bills. Like you can rent it out a few times throughout the month, and you could pay a car note or even potentially pay your mortgage depending on how nice your pool is and what people are willing to pay for it. So think about it. If you have a pool, go over to swimly.com and check it out. And last but not least, number 10 is you can actually rent out your vehicle. So if you have a vehicle and you don't mind renting it out, you can actually make some pretty good bank doing it. So maybe you don't mind renting your car out. Maybe you have a second vehicle. Maybe you never drive your car. Maybe you take a lot of public transportation. Well, what you can do is you can actually go over to this website called Turo.com. Turo.com, you can actually rent out your car by the day, right? So I'm over here, I'm looking in Los Angeles area, and then there's a Mercedes-Benz for $115 a day. Here's a Ford Fusion for $37 a day. Here's a Toyota Yaris for $26, a Tesla for $106 a day. So essentially whatever you want. We got a Ferrari here for $598 per day, another Tesla here for $199 per day. It doesn't really matter what type of car you have. You hear a Nissan Versa for $29. People would want to rent your car. It's not going to cost you anything to go ahead and put it on the website. So if you have a nice car, even if it's not a nice car, somebody needs to get somewhere, and they probably would start renting your car if it's is cheap. Maybe they want to get to work. Maybe they just want to go grocery shopping and they don't have a vehicle where they can rent your Nissan Versa for $29 for the day and they can go run around and do all their errands. So again, with the Turo, you can rent out your car, rent out your swimming pool. You could be making a lot of bank, giving some plasma, cutting your hair off and selling that, selling your poop. You could have a full-time income with all these 10 side hustles that we talked about today. So check them all out, guys, and hope that these side hustle ideas helped you out and you make some extra money, especially during this quarantine time that everybody needs a little bit of extra cash. So I hope this video helped. So that's all I have for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button, like this video if you liked it, and let me know in the comment section below which one of these side hustles, if any, would you actually think about doing yourself. So let me know in the comment section below, out of the 10 that we talked about, which one would you consider doing? I'd love to hear which one you would actually do. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.